Today we're just gonna be doing some fine art portraiture. I've never done something like this before or shot something like this before, so I'll take you behind the scenes. I'll show you how I did the lighting and we'll show you guys the setup today. So let's get it, let's do it. So this is our lighting setup today. Actually, I don't even know where the other light is. So today's light is the Alien Bees B800, and I think it's just a generic parabolic umbrella. There's a light modifier. I don't think there's any brand name for the light modifier, but as far as the light goes, it's Alien Bees. This is the biggest light that they had, so I just wanted something a little bit softer. I'm gonna play around with the placement of it. So right now it's fairly close to the table, but I'm gonna just play around, maybe do side light, maybe do direct light, but we are gonna have her facing the window because I do still like the natural light. You guys know I love natural light. So I had to just move the backdrop kind of facing the window. So that's kind of the plan today, mixing natural light plus the light with this giant umbrella, and then we're gonna see how we go. Let's do some light testing and see how these photos are turning out. It's really important in doing studio that I light test because you know, when time comes to take the pictures, they gotta come out good. So I gotta be in advance, gotta get ahead of the game here. Do a few tests here of these fruit. I mean, it's looking good in the pictures. I'll show you guys how some of these are turning out actually. It looks good with the fruit, but how does it look with the model? That's the real question. I was very, very nervous doing this because I don't do a lot of in studio, as you guys know. A lot of trial and error here. It's looking good so far. Okay, this is good. So the gear I'll be using today is the 5D Mark IV with a 51.4 lens, and I also have my 24-70 lens, which I might switch out. I'm using a polarizer on this lens, which has been helpful, so I haven't taken it off. I really like it, so that's the setup for today. Kind of simple with the lights, and then the V-flat and the backdrop, and the table of fruit. There's the finished look. So beautiful. There she is. Okay, let's go towards our set.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we'll do a few with this light. I'm gonna maybe do side light, a bit of side light as well. Let me bring that V-flat in too. We'll do white first, just for some added light, just so it's softer. Oh wow, yeah, these are great, perfect. I love the light, it's just perfect, it's so good, I love it. Wow, yes, the lighting is divine. You did one in the beginning where you had your head kind of like this, yeah. Wow, yes, these are great. Bring that one up again, how you were holding it like that, yeah. Great.
That went right down nicely.
Did it? Yeah. Oh no.
No, it just fell.
It's too early for that. It's too early.
Stop it.
Closer up. Great job. I love the posing too. Have you been reading up on the 1880s? The times?
The time.
The 1800, probably even before the 1800s. That's not even the right time.
Close enough.
Probably like, 100 years before that. Let me do a few like side light as well. Woo. Gotta pop open a window. Yeah, that's cute too. Oh, that's gorgeous. Don't move, stay right there. It's really looking like a painting.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, beautiful. That looks like a painting. Let me show you guys watching. Beautiful. Yeah, stay right there. Don't move. That's great. Or you could even be like picking up like a fruit or something, like one of those like little, yeah, right there. Oh yeah, that's great.
For the smoke, do you want me to play towards the candles, or do you want them to be just kind of like sizzling next to me while I'm doing something else? Does that make sense?
Oh, we could do both. We could do two things. Okay. We could do the first one, which you just put it out and then holding it or something. Do you want to do that? You're the artistic genius here. I'm just pressing a button, to be honest with you.
No. So freaking cool. That's fucking cool.
Yeah, the lighting definitely matches.
Yes.
Hold on, yeah. Let me get into position here. Okay, girl, blow away. Okay, I just took one of my favorite pictures ever. So we added this light. You guys can't see it. So I added this extra light here, and we're gonna be taking just a few last portraits. I'm very happy with how it's turning out. The lighting, stunning. Okay, let's do a few more like that, like right here. But let's fold the hands in or out, yeah. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Dude, this lighting's even better. Oh my God, wow.
Oh yeah.
It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at these pictures, you guys, look. I just added another B800 light right here to the side. I'm just so proud of these pictures. Should we do like a few, like maybe we'll do just a few more like portraits and then we'll be good. Okay, yeah, I'm just really happy with how these are turning out. Very fun, the lighting is nice. Beautiful model, amazing. Yeah, let's do a few more. Maybe like look to the out to the side, like maybe just move your arms a bit more. Oh my God, obsessed. I think we can get rid of the table now. Let's get rid of the table.
Who's also a photographer. She's the one that I shoot. Okay.
Okay, we'll just do a few of these. Great job, good job. Oh, wow. Wow.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Wow. I mean, I don't know what to say.
Love that.
Gorgeous. 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 Gorgeous.
I love it. Stunning.
Let me try to move this even more. I'll just play around with the light. And then looking here, we'll do, yeah, a few, like if we're looking out this way. Really awesome. Just beautiful. I could shoot this all day, honestly. Looking out. So like, how about you're looking like right here? Yeah, right there. Wow, milady, you have done so well.
Oh, thank you, my lord. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor.
Today's photo shoot was so much fun. I don't normally shoot indoors. I'm really learning more about lighting, and this was so much fun. play around with the lights, to recreate this like fine art aesthetic. So this is all really just Emily, her creative vision coming to life. So I'm gonna have her Instagram down below. You guys check out her Instagram, it's so cool. Emily, how was it being, I don't know what time period this is.
I just really wanted to do something kind of Renaissance inspired, so we're not going too literal here. This is more of like an interpretation, almost like fantasy Renaissance.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you guys think of the photos. How do you guys like the lighting? Do you guys think it matched with the vibe?
I feel like I want to go a little bit more red.